Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can enable face lock in your Motorola smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, then you have to click on security and privacy. Click on device unlock and here it is face unlock. You have to make a password and enter your face data. And friends, you can see it is captured my face, and you can see just click on next, and now you are ready to unlock your device with face lock. Click on done and it is set right now. You can see friends, it is turned on. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.